You see a graph on the SAT, and your brain freezes. You overthink it. You lose easy points. Stop. Data questions are the easiest points on the entire test if you know this one rule.
Match.
Don't interpret. The correct answer says only what the graph explicitly shows. Nothing more. Let me show you. Here's the rule that flips data questions from hard to free. Stop interpreting. Just match. The College Board sets the same 3 traps every single time. Trap 1, causation. The answer adds a reason why. The graph never explains causes. Eliminate. Trap 2, exaggeration. Words like skyrocketed or dramatically. If the data didn't, the answer didn't. Eliminate. Trap 3, contradiction. It says the opposite of what the graph shows. Easiest one to spot. See these words, kill them on sight. Watch this in action. Acme Corp sales. From 2018 to 2020, the bars go from 21 million to 36 million. That's a rise. Now the answers. A says sales increased between those years. Matches the graph exactly.
Correct.
B says sales rose because of marketing, causation trap. Graph shows no reason.
Out.
C says sales more than doubled, exaggeration. It's 71%, not 100.
Out.
D says they grew every year, contradiction. Sales fell in 2021.
Out.
Answers A, easy points. Same trick, line graph. Country A emissions dropped from 420 in 2015 to 310 in 2020. A, declined steadily. Matches.
Correct.
B, fell because of new climate policy. Causation. The graph shows no policy.
Out.
C, dropped by more than half. Exaggeration, it's 26%, not 50.
Out.
D, rose sharply. Contradiction. Graph clearly falls.
Out.
Same 3 traps. Every single
time.
Your turn.
Pause the video right now.
Look at the chart. Pick A, B, C, or D. Drop your answer in the comments before I reveal it.
Time's up.
Answer is A. If you got it, you just earned a real SAT point. If you missed it, that's the lesson. Look at the wrong choices. Causation, exaggeration, contradiction. Same 3 traps. Burn this in. If it's not in the graph, it's not the answer. Screenshot this.
Right now.
Your test day cheat sheet. C, rose because of eliminate. C, skyrocketed. Eliminate. See the opposite of the graph. Eliminate. 3-step attack. Read the title and labels first. Find what it explicitly states.
Match.
Add nothing. Remove nothing. Guess nothing. Graph questions?
You own them now. Match.
Don't interpret.
Win.
Smash that like so more students find this. Comment your answer from the practice slide. Subscribe and hit the bell. New SAT hack every week. And if you want a perfect 1600, go to satprep1600.com. Free AI-powered prep tuned to your weak spots. See you in hack number 9. Let's go.